Hello and welcome to RTC Presents Making Frito Boats with Anita, Delilah, and Daisy. Today's ingredients are Fritos, chili beans, lettuce, salsa, and shredded cheese. We will start by turning our stove on to medium heat. Now we'll start warming up our chili beans. Add water if needed. Now it's time to chop the lettuce. All done. Time to finish up our Frito boat by adding the toppings of your choice. Enjoy! We hope you enjoyed today's cooking class. If you would like to see more, please reach out to staff. And as always, thank you for watching.